In this video, I'm going to show you how to create whiteboard animation video on Canva. So on your homepage, click on video here. So our video is like 1080p. I'll just click on that. Okay. Now we'll be searching for some elements that we think is good for animation. Okay, let me just show you. Elements, and I'll be searching for a girl. So this girl is good. This is already animated, so we don't have to change something about its appearance. That and make this girl bigger as well. Now let's add a bee. I'd like to have this one. So this is not going to the right direction of the flower, so we have to flip it. Click flip there. Horizontal. Ooh, now it's better. Well, let's make that a little bit smaller. But this one looks good too. I'll just remove this. Okay, and flip it horizontally, make it a little bit smaller, and change the flower too. I don't like that. A flower in the graphics bar. Okay, this one. Oh, let's try changing the color of the flower. All right, make it smaller. Put it there. Okay, this girl too, and the bee. The bee should be here. There you go. Now I'll click on this bee. I'd like this to move, right? So now that we have added the bee, and I also added another bee here and tried to group them together so they'll move in the same way, or maybe not. Okay, let's ungroup them. Okay, and let's add another bee, maybe 5 bees. There, okay, so we have 5 bees now. Let us click on them, animate, and in the element part, we have create an animation. Click that. So we can move the bees in whatever way we would like them to move. So let's try it. Ooh, like that. So cute, right? Okay, there you go. Now for the flower, I'd like this to move as well. So create an animation again. And I'll drag moving that way. But the pot should not move, right? Doesn't look good, but all right, whatever. Let's just hide the pot there. Okay, how about that? All right, and this girl should also walk. So click on it, click animate, and create an animation in the element section and let it move like walk, 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 just like that. That's about it. That's how you can create whiteboard animation video on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.